Hello, hello, am I audible? I hope you can listen to my voice properly. Let's see if I am audible. Am I live now? Please wait for a minute and let me check if I am live and if I am audible properly. If you can listen to my voice, then please write in the chat. Okay, I am live and the connection is excellent. Okay, let me CFD invoices and April 1. Okay, all good. Let's go towards the stream. Now let me share the stream with my audience and I will be back with you in just 2 minutes. And here in the you can see that I have passed the phase 2 of both the accounts. Why isn't it showing in the live? How am I supposed to share the link if I can't see my stream properly? I should be live right now as of the chat or as of the OBS. I should be able to see myself or my live. Yes, now I can see the live stream. I need to share it to my audience. We are live in NYSESSIN session. Now let me share the same with my own Discord, the personal one. You might see the mouse hovering here and there because I'm. Let's see. So I'm live now, and let's start our trading and let's start our analysis. Sorry, please. Let's sign into this account because we are going to use this account for our trading. We are in $800 in drawdown and we need to recover this account, and I think we have a very good setup right now in the Nasdaq that we will use to get down. Wow, now that's a very good setup right now. We have a very good setup right here in front of our eyes. We have this liquidity swipe, we have liquidity swipe, then we have this candle went above this hour, so this is not a proper breaker. Here is the proper breaker, this one is the proper breaker. Let me show you, this one is the proper breaker. Market came up, traded up here, and now it is going down, and now the market will fall down. Just market will melt down now. But what we could have done here is enter here with this fair value gap, but we could not. So let's just let it go. We are not going to catch any kind of running train. We are not here to catch any trades that are already gone. We are here to take the trades which, hey, even gold is falling. Wow. Now let's mark the Asia high and Asia low. We have Asia low marked, Asia high is taken out, so we have London high. London high is all the way up here. We have London low. We have London low here. Low and beyond London low. Wednesday, April 1, 2026. 2026. Let's make it blue. We have London high as well. Control Z. We have London high of the day, and we have the S yellow here. Market can come and swap the S yellow. That's the most probable place. We swapped out the liquidity. We have swapped the liquidity. We have the market structure shift here. Market structure shift was here. Actually, this high, we did not break this high, so we cannot this high low higher high. Yeah, market structure shift was here. Then we started taking out the liquidities one by one, internal range liquidities. We have this liquidity also swiped. We have this relative equal low liquidity to be taken out, and we have all these liquidities. These liquidities are left to be swiped. Now we had this thunder fair value gap to the short side. If the market again comes back up, I will take a short from this here all the way to London low. So let's put an order. Let's come here and look at this chart. I don't think we are coming back all the way up here anymore. But if there is any chance that the market comes back up, I will take the trade to the short side. But for longs, I am open for longs as well. But for that, the market has to swipe out the London low first. Now let's look at dollar index. The dollar index has created a breaker, and now it is going to the upside. Means the dollar index can come all the way up to 99.625. That is 144 points. That means gold can drop all the way to London low and even to Asia low. Yeah, let's go back to our Nasdaq. We had our market structure shift. We had this breaker. I know I include everything I include from top to bottom, but this was high low, higher high, lower low. This was the breaker. We had breaker short. Where is that? Market went below this and came to the consequent encroachment, and it is now going down. We could have used this fair value gap to enter, or this fair value gap to enter into the market, but we did not get any chance. The market had just wiped out this liquidity, and we may get a chance to enter using this fair value gap. There is a volume imbalance, right? This is a normal fair value gap. There is a volume imbalance and there is no volume balance here. If the market comes back up even a little bit, we can take a trade. The gold is pushing down, as I had said. It is going to take out the London low. The London low will be taken out before the open of the market. Muffins, yeah, muffins. uh, London gold looks good for shorts. If you are in the stream, just like the stream, and we are going to take trades. We have missed the trade, that's why I like to sit before the 8 a.m. and I was not here then, and I'm sorry for that. I should have been here by this candle, so we could have taken this trade, but I was not here, so I'm sorry for that. MNQ, that is US 100, looks bearish. We have this breaker, market took this and now it is going down. We don't have any setups right now. Wait for a setup formation and then we will take a trade. Till then, just have patience. So we are in the short. Yep, yep. We have a good move in Nasdaq. The market is coming up, so we can get an entry. Let's observe using this chart. Here it is. We can get an entry using this fair value gap. If we can get into up to that, if we can touch that fair value gap, we will enter into this trade. Here is that fair value gap. Our SL will be above this fair value gap, just above this fair value gap, and we will target the new day opening of the day. That is the opening price of the day. That is, have we marked the opening price of the day for is this, what is this? We haven't marked the opening price of the day. We did, I remember we have marked the price. Yes, there is this 23,721. 23,721 TP 23,721 721, that is $1,000. Why can't I modify this trade right now? Okay, so this was too much for this. I think I can open only 0 point something lots. How much margin did it take? It take only, what, why did not my trade got triggered? Let's 2 and 3. Let's try to, I think this was news timing, but we don't have news restrictions on this account, so don't worry. Wealth or a funded account, we are free to trade the news, so we will trade the news freely. There is news, right? How much margin have we used? We have used 7,000 of margin and we have 1,000 worth of margin more, so and let it slide. We will have our TP at 23721, 23721, 721, 723, 721. It is $700. The gold has crossed our level. The gold has come back to the 100 fair value gap as well, but we have already taken a trade in Nasdaq, so we cannot enter into another trade. Now let's look at it out on 5 minutes time frame, 1 minute, and just observe it, let it slide. Let's look at news, forexfactory.com. All the news were positive as expected, so it should not accept non-farm employment, not affect the market in any negative way. If we had a negative news, then we could have just fallen down by now, but the market is going to go up because we have a positive news. Now that's bad for our trade, but nevertheless we will just have stick to our trade. US 100, and this is the fair value gap that we have used for the trade. We have entered here, our stop loss is all the way up here, and our exit is at this place, that is 715 somewhere. So now let's just observe the trade and see how it goes. I hope SL and TP is set for both of the trades. Let's look at gold. The gold is reacting to the with our 100 fair value gap, and sadly we don't have any account to trade. We have passed all our accounts, and we have one account which was in drawdown, so we are trading that account, and let's see how that account performs, and let's see how that trade goes. For right now the trade is going against our favor, or against our direction right now, but we cannot say anything just now. The market will give more opportunities, and we will have more and more opportunities to come to break even and pass even this account. But I do not, I should have executed the trade here. The trade should have been executed here, but it was not executed. I think because the lot size was more than that, more than the margin I have. I think that is the only reason. That's why this trade was not executed. Right now we are going against our trade, and let's see how far it goes against our trade. There is a 70% chance that the market will come back to the middle of the regular trading hours gap, and we are above the regular trading hour opening closing time, so there is a high chance that the market will go down. We have taken a 1 is to 12 RR trade, and if we win this trade our account will be fully revived, and then we will have this account traded normally. This candlestick ate the whole previous two candlesticks. Any questions, please? I would be glad and very happy to answer. So we are falling now. Let's look at this on 5 minutes time frame. Where is our target? Where target is all the way at 723, 720. That is far below. We have taken a 1 is to 12 hour trade. If anyone has any questions, feel free to ask me in the chat. Let's take a screenshot. This is wealth or a funded account. This is a new pro firm, and so we don't have any idea if they will give a payout or not. We will know after this because I have just been funded with them, and I think we will know very soon that if they will pay or not. If we win this trade, I will trade in the New York opening as well, so we can pass this account today. But if we lose this trade, then there is nothing to do after that because the account will be blown away. I hope I am audible and properly understandable. I think I should speak a little slower. Do you know my subscriber count keeps on going like 801, 802, 801, 802, 801, 802. Like it's not increasing at all. Well, we were also looking at gold. We were also let's try this slowly this time. We were also looking at gold, so let's look at that now. Well, the gold has begun to react and reject from our thunder fair value gap. It did went up and it might have taken out the stop loss, but let's see if it could have taken out the stop loss if we put the SL here. And yes, it would have taken out the stop loss and we would have been stopped out. So let's stick to our US 100 trade, that is this one, and wish for the best. And I think the best is yet to come. We have this liquidity here. Let's start with marking the liquidities. We had this liquidity which is just cleared. We have this liquidity. Let's make it red so it is understandable that these are sell side liquidities. Let's make them red. So from now on all the markings will be on red. We have these liquidities. Okay, so the market took a big jump from here. At least we have closed inside the fair value gap, and that's a good thing. But the market might be going to test the CISD plus FBG stuff, and here we have the one of the best liquidities that the market can come to and should come to. We have these liquidities. These are very big and large liquidities, and the market must swipe them out. And this liquidity as well. Look at these relative equal lows. These are too smooth to be left here. And then we have this liquidity. Even below the marketplace there is liquidity, not this but this one and this one as well. So we have so we have expanded too far above in the marketplace today, and now it is time for the market to retrace back to the where it had came from. And let's observe the trade now. This was CISD plus FVG setup for someone looking for another entry. Let's send it back. This was, and this is CISD plus this is the FVG. Now you should have entered from there. And let's look at on 5 minutes. I thought the market has, yes, the market has closed inside this fair value gap, which is in our favor, so that the market uh, is more on the bearish side of the game. This is a very fine market today, and today's price action was like a smooth butter. Initially, I thought that when we were here at when we were here when the market was shopping around so much, I thought this is going to be a high resistance liquidity run conditions day, but the market is went after that very smoothly. It went to a level, created a nice setup, then came back to the TP very nicely. I took a 1 is to 9 RR trade. Actually, I took two trades at that time. One trade was on US 30. Let me show you. Where is that? Here it is. It was 1 is to 5 RR trade on US 30, and 1 is to 9 RR trade on US 100. I had risked only $40 and ended up with a like $500 something, 40 plus something dollars I risked, and got a profit of 500 something dollars, and passed the profit target of that account, which was wealth or a funded account. Right now the market is slow and steady, but there will be market open very soon, and then the market can fall down. And I am bidding on the market's short side because I'm in a short position already, and my data also shows there is a lot of liquidity below. These can see all these lines. These are liquidity lines. These are not some random lines. There lies liquidities. So the market is obviously a what was set. So market took our stop loss, and so this was I think this was the news timing, and we hit our stop loss. And if the market is coming back, then I think I should not get into a trade right now. At 45 data has released, and it has swiped the buy side liquidities from the upside, and then the market is has uh, give a body candle close inside this fair value gap, but there was no way that someone could have been saved with this $63 worth of 63 points worth of uh, stop hunt. Now the market can go in either direction. I initially when the this candle came down in a pulse, I thought the market is going to go down now, but it went up and took our stop loss. So we have to wait for 2 minutes to enter into a new trade, and we will enter into the short side as well again. The loss is minor, that is $67. We still have $155 left to risk and get to break even, and we will get to break even no matter what. Hmm. So the upside liquidity has been swapped totally. It's 47 now, which meaning we can, let's see what impact it did on gold. The gold had some impacts as well. Let's look at US 30, US 500 and US 100 all had the same kind of impact from these news, and we would like to enter into this trade again from the same fair value gap that we were trying to enter last time. You can see how far this went. We will go for 3.5. 3.1 is better, I think. 3.2 is good. We will sell from here, and our stop loss will be above this candle here, and let's sell limit. I hope we get into our trade. We have a loss, so we have lost this trade. The market is coming down now aggressively, but we are trying to get in at 23,972. That's 23,972. 23,972. That's a lot much higher. 972. Yes. Stop loss of this candle, and just come up once and take our entry. Come on, come up and take our entry. The market is melting down, right? After taking our stop loss. This is our trade again. The market has begun to melt down. The market can go below our stop loss trade, our TP, but we are happy with this. Now let's see if the market has any intentions to come back up and take us in into this trade. That's a good trade. We were in profits, and then this candle came and took our profits away. What can we say? Nothing can be said about the markets. This one is taken out. We have volume injected, so remember, a volatile and a market with volume goes everywhere on the daily range, goes to every place at the daily range. We have $155 to lose, and I have risked $60 on this trade, on the same trade again. So now just wait for the market. We might get an entry during the market open, but it is very less probable that we will get an entry. I forgot that there is also news at 8:45 and just got hit badly. I got an email that my TradeOvet data is updated to SIM Plus. What does that mean? Let's come back. Do Blue Guardian Futures is hello Sachin. The following message is an update from TradeOvet. The market data subscription one renewed for your applicable entitlement SIM Plus. Maybe I got upgraded to the trade to the funded account on my fund, the Blue Guardian Futures. We will just wait for our entry. We are not going to do any kind of stupid stuff. Not going to enter. Uh, Not going to enter what I say. I mean, not going to jump into this trade. We will wait patiently and let the market come to us. But if we melt down before that, then we will trade next day. There is no hurry. There is no hurry to trade. Wow, such. Can you see this? How beautifully the market came back and had its body candle closers inside the breaker sort. If I was using this kind of chart, then I would have sorted the market just when this candle was closed. And look how beautifully this candle closed and open and closed just here. So we might not come back up here, but still we will have our trades here in case market wants to come up once again. Actually, we don't have any entry as well. Let's see if we have any kind of running order blocks. Those order blocks are very powerful. Here we have some that kind of situation, and I think we should use this. This one is the running order block. The running order block is this one. This candle is the running order block, or I say this candle is the running order block. I think this candle is the running order block. I am confused. I know the logic, but I forgot the candle. Well, the market came down. We below that. The market came up, touched that, and then started going down. That's the running order block. And there is another. There is more to it, according with which involves this fair value gap as well. So if we want to take a trade with this running order block, we put our trade here. We put our entry here. We put our stop loss one tick or two tick above this fair value gaps on second encroachment, the previous, and we aim for the nearest liquidity, right, which could be 1 is to 5 or 1 is to something. We go something like that. But in our case, the liquidity is here and here as well. 1 is to 5 trade this can give. Let's see if this running order block setup works or not, because we have very big stop loss and I'm not willing to take this trade here. I still want this trade. Their market comes up here and takes our entry. Our entry is here. Let's look at gold. Let's look at gold till then and try to figure out any kind of entries going for long or short. I think there is no one watching my stream, but nobody's at all. What is the query there? Let me see. Come on stream if you won't have any questions. Don't ask me during the stream on Discord. We have taken out this and our entry is far. Hey, where who put our entry all the way up here? Our entry is somewhere here, not that far above. 23,972, 73, 72. Yep, this is our trade, and we are waiting for the market open to give an impulse up, take our entry, and then go down. We were in a very very good trade, but what is happening? Why is this ringing? Is someone is calling me? I can't put. I can't accept a call during a stream. Come on. I hope you got the stream link, Rohit. Come and join us on the stream. We just lost, and we just lost a trade because of the market impact. Hello, Rohit. How are you? Welcome on the stream. Well, we just lost this trade because we were in profits. Then the 944 something happened. Market went up, took out all the liquidities from the above, and then started going down. Now we are waiting for the market to come back up here and take our entry, but I doubt that is going to happen. But we don't have any other entry points till now, so we can't do anything else. I am good, Rohit. I am good. I am doing good. Thank you for joining the stream. Well, like the stream and subscribe to the channel. And we are here trading Nasdaq. The Nasdaq is moving very slow, and it is doing something that we love. It is doing something that we don't love, and it is doing something that we wait for. That is entry. We are waiting for an entry. ICO, is it A plus setup? Actually, this was A plus setup. Let me show you. Yes, this breaker. Once this candle closed below this was an A plus setup, and the market was going down, going down until this. I think this was a news candle. This took out all the liquidities from above, and then it went down. And I am taking this trade from this fair value gap. Actually this is thundered fair value gap. I am using this thundered fair value gap on Nasdaq, which is not supposed to be used on Nasdaq. It is only supposed to be used on gold and GBP USD. But I don't have any setups at all. The market will come all the way down here, and there is no setup up here till now. And the market is moving like a turtle, up down, up down, up down, then little bit down, then go up, little bit down, then go up, little bit down, then go up. So we can't have any kind of setups here. So I have put my entry and SL on the previous trade setup. So I'm expecting the market will come up somehow and take the entry and go down. Yes, Rohit, tell me what you want to say. But at first, like the stream, none of you were in the London session, and you know what we did in the London session. Let me show you what we did in the London session. We took this trade, just one clean setup, 1:9 RR. In under 15 minutes, we hit the TP, and also we took this trade on this US 30, 1:5 RR, clean trade. We passed both of our accounts that we were trading, 10k accounts. That is DFT and wealth or funded accounts. The both accounts were passed today, and none of you were there to copy my trades. So it's your fault, not mine. Yes, Rohit, I'm listening. Tell me what you want to show, and let me show you the accounts that I have passed. Here, this is the wealth or capital. That is says Rosy Capital. The 500 mark is passed. Then this is direct funded trader account. This also says this is the phase 1, this is the phase 2. and this one is also passed. Now only that remains is the minimum trading days. Now I am trading my first wealth or funded account, which was in heavy drawdown, and I have won $155 more till this account is breached, and I will revive this account. So just wait and watch and learn and whatever you want to learn. And Rohit Singh Rajput, wow, what a trade! Thank you, Rohit. Thank you for your compliment. Well, like the stream, please. If you like my trades, like the stream. Let's look at gold. We had a trade on gold as well during the Asia session. We did not take any trade on gold during the London session because we did not get any setups. Here is the trade for the Asia session. We had two losses, then one trade that made us break even on all the accounts, and then those trades on London session on US 30 and US 100, which helped us pass the account. And right now we are trading the Nasdaq. Here we are trading the Nasdaq, and we lost a trade because of, bro, second phase is already passed. I am just waiting for the minimum trading days to complete. On wealth or a funded account, I need just one more day to complete the minimum trading days, and then I will get a funded account. And on direct funded trader account, I need four more trading days to complete the minimum trading days requirement. The both accounts and both the phases are passed. I am kind of funded now, and I have also passed the Blue Guardian futures account 50k, and I am waiting for the verification process. It is 48 hours, between 24 to 48 hours, which it takes, and then I will get my 50k funded account as well. So we were saying something, Rohit. Please ask your question. I will be very happy to answer you. Remember, there is no trade right now, so don't jump into any kind of trades. The setup is A plus, that is why it is going down. We had this setup, we had this clean entry, we had entry, we actually, my entry was here, but the trade was not triggered because I think I used over margin, over lot size. That was my margin requirement was not met, and then when it came all the way down here, then I realized that my trade has yet not been triggered. So I took an market entry. Then it came all the way to $80 in profit. Then this candle came and it took me out. And right now we are waiting for the market to come and take our entry, then go down. Thank you, Rohit. Well, you are looking for an account. You can, first of all, we have to like this stream. Come on, like the stream. Then I will show you a way that there where by which you can get an account. I think you can get a 10k account from direct funded trader. But at first we have to like the stream. Then I will show you the way on Discord. Right now the market is going to go up. We are waiting for a market structure shift here. MSS with a body candle close. Then the market will go up from this candle. Once we have a body candle closer, then okay, so the market has begun to go up. You need a body candle closer. then this fair value gap will be converted into an inversion fair value gap. Well, so we did not get a body candle closer. Let's look at M and Q directly and observe if there was a body candle closer or not. Yes, there is a body candle closer, meaning this, and there is no fair value gap here. That's why you need the market data from the directly from the control Z, directly from the CME to know if this kind of small stuffs. Well, the market will reject from here and go higher. I don't know whether if it will just reject from this fair value gap or it will come all the way to this fair value 100 fair value gap. But I'm bidding on this and going for a short from here. Thank you, Rohit. Thank you for your hearts to my channel. Also give a like to the stream. That would be helpful uh, to send this stream to a lot of audience. The algorithm will understand this stream is helpful and educative. Then it will suggest to more audience who looks for the streaming. So please like the stream so it can be shared in the feeds of many more other traders. Well, this candle was our entry if we were to go long, and now it is going up. We will stick to our trading plan. We have risked about $60. We have 120 $155 left to lose, and we will use that amount to recover this account. The market will open in 16 minutes, and we can expect some volatile movements during the open. Yes, Rohit, tell me what you want to say. But I can see you haven't liked the stream yet. You haven't liked the stream yet. There is only one like. Yes, bhai, tell me na. I know you want an account, and there is a way to get an account on Find Platforms channel. Just open a ticket. I can send you SS. I have 3 likes. I can't observe it here on my dashboard. It says only one like. Let me refresh the page and see if something changes. Yeah, it says 2 likes now. I have 803 subscribers now. It was 101 just. So I have gained 2 subscribers just now. So that's a good sign. Look at gold. Are we going up or are we going down? We are ranging between London high and London low. Liquidity has been taken out. This thunder fair value got failed because of the news. We did not take any trade here, and we did not had any trade here. So just wait for a setup. Have patience. We have one setup for long, but there is no liquidity above to target. But there is one this inefficiency is there, which you can target right now. So if you were to take trade, it would be like this one trade. Stop loss will be this candle slow, and you can target like this inefficiency here. You can target like here 1 is to 2 point something trade. It's a virtual trade. I'm not suggesting you to take this trade. Okay, this one is just a virtual trade that I have taken based on the setup that I setups I know. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Just share my channel to your friends, and I will do the 1K very soon. We are going up right now. We are not in this trade. I'm again telling you, this is just a virtual trade taken according to my knowledge of setups. Let's look at crude oil. Actually, we can trade BTC. Do you know that spreads on BT is dirt cheap, like literally dirt cheap? Yeah. So we have touched this daily fair value gap, and now we are coming down. This is something I wanted to see. Let me show you. I had analyzed this trade in the morning that we would go up, touch this fair value gap, then come down, and then take out this sell side liquidity. We can be in this trade. Let's look at 1 hour time frame. We want at 1 hour time frame we have a change in state of delivery. Let's look at 15 minutes time frame. uh, I would like to see any kind of liquidity swipe on any kind of liquidity swipe that is there to which liquidity swipe should I look for. Yes, this one. I want to see a liquidity swipe of this one. Remember when we were here, I was saying that I want to say the swipe of this liquidity, then market to go up and take this slam into this fair value gap. The market did not take out this swipe out this sweep this liquidity, but it use the 100 fbg anywhere again. Let's see, it hasn't come back yet to the 100 fbg. Now what I want to see, or I want to see in the market to take my entry, is swipe of this liquidity, then give a market structure shift. I mean, I want to see something like it. Market comes up, takes out this liquidity, comes down, gives a market structure shift, comes up again, takes entry, and then goes starts going down. I want to see something like this in BTC. The market has started to be jagged here, and we are like 20 to just 10 minutes away from the market open. So just have patience and wait for the market open. I believe the lower prices will come, and it might come from somewhere. The market might go to some level of this uh, gradient. I mean, gradient of this week template quadrants. The market might go into the any like 50% or 75% or 25% of this week when the market opens. So we can, I will just close my setup, or I will just hold this because I am not that much of serious about this trade, because I know I will pass this account. I have built an habit of patience. Just 9 minutes more. We don't have any setups right now, just this virtual trade which is going quite good. This is 1 is to 1.2.24 RR. Let's look at this in this uh, asset class and see if we have any market structure shift here. Then that can be a short setup, but we don't. Remember, I had said that this fair value, this candle is an order block. Sorry, this candle is an order block, and you can see it's working quite well. Let me show you. Let me grade this. The market is rejecting from the 50% consequent encroachment uh, of this order block. This is a running order block. This is one of the entry models that I have learned during the 2024 mentorship. I want this to be invalidated and the market to go all the way up, take our entry, then come back down. We have 4 more minutes till the market open. I am quite of kind of hesitant about this trade that I am holding right now. A lot of hesitant. I am very hesitant, but I'm still holding this trade because my gut feeling says that it will give me some RR. It will give me 16 RR worth of trade. That is enough to come back to break even. It's 7:04 p.m. in India. 4 more minutes till the market opens. The market will open in 4 minutes, and our virtual trade is going very well. This order block has been invalidated now, so that's a good sign for our this virtual trade. The virtual trade is going quite well, and if you are a good risk manager, then you will take at least 1 is to 1 RR from this trade. I had given this trade when we were here. Now we are going up for this. If we had entered from here, then it would have been 1 is to 3 RR trade, but we entered all the way up from here, so it's 1.2 1 is to 2.2 RR. The market opens in just 1 minute, and we will see if we get to enter the trade, and then it goes in our direction, or it will end we will get to enter, and our stop loss will be taken out, or we will not even get to enter the trade. So just wait and have your fingers crossed, because in just 30 seconds the market will open and the volume will kick in inside the market. So 10 seconds more, so it's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and market opens. Let's see what does the market do. So the market has begun to come down. It did not go to the upside at all. Market touched the inversion fair value gap again and is trying to reject to higher side, and if the market creates a breaker here, then I will be looking for sorting the market from here if the market creates a breaker here. So the market is going higher up now. Let's see, the volume has kicked in inside the market. We can now expect big candles and more volatile market from here. So this did not close below this. Let me delete this, come to MNQ, have this one. We have high, we have low, we have higher, we have lower low. Let's see if we get a body candle close below this. If we get a body candle close below this low, then we will sort the market from there and see if the market will come back and take our entry. Let's see if we get a. So we do have a market structure shift. Do we do? No, we don't. We don't have a market structure shift. Okay, so the market is now trying to go up. We neither have a first presented fair value gap nor a market structure shift. So let's come back to US 100 now. Here we had our virtual trade. I think the virtual trade is stopped out. Let's delete this one. We did not get a market structure shift to the low side. I am still hoping for the market to come to up to here at least, then reject lower. And I don't know why I'm expecting this. Maybe because this is the 100 fair value gap, that's why I have high hopes for this candle and this fair value gap. The market is struggling to choose the side where to go up or not create a first presented fair value gap. The buy side liquidity has already been taken out, and if this candle creates a first presented fair value gap, then we everyone will get a good entry, and I will as well to enter into the shorts. Mhm. That's good. That's what I was thinking. And does BT get impact with market opening? I don't think so. BTC has any kind of impact with market opening. So the market is going up higher, up more, one little bit more, and we will enter into the trade just a bit, little bit more, just a bit more, and we will enter into this trade. Yes, we are into this trade, and I want this candle to project down now. We have entered the trade, and luckily this candle is kind of rejecting, but luckily kind of not properly rejecting. When I am looking on the MT5 very sharply, because that's where the market data is displayed more properly, and to the I think the SL will be hit. 10 more seconds till this candle closes. Let's just go down now, please. Just go down, please. Just go lower. And this is a red candle now. I hope the first presented fair value gap does not give any kind of effect or make any kind of effect on this candle. The market is rejecting from the this fair value gap, and the first presented fair value gap is here. So let's look at this from this perspective. We have this first presented fair value gap, and the first presented fair value gap is, yep, it is just going higher. I think we will be stopped out. I think we are going to be stopped out. The whole green candle turned green. The whole candlestick turned green. I think just such a big rejection to the high side. This candle is already expanded too much, and I am not expecting a more of expansion to the high side. Like I can be stopped out. That is not any kind of big thing. But the big thing is this, that the market will expand more higher. So I am stopped out now, and I am in $127 losses, and I have $94 more to lose this account. As I was saying, the market might go to any of this quadrant level, then start to reject down. Let's look at M and Q. Will this reject from the breaker? Thunder share value gap did not work here. We have a market candle, we have a body candle closer below the breaker, and let's see if one more candle gives a body candle closer below this, then we will enter with a market entry and take the loss, whatever the loss is. Are we going to go up more? We are already like stressed up too much, but if we are going to go up, then we will go up to this, up above here, like 24,600. We do this? Yes, we can do this. The market can go such expansion in one day. We have seen such candles in the past a lot. We have seen such candles with such much of too much as such kind of expansions, and right now the market is, let's look at here, it's going off the breaker as well. I am I am still, I think I should leave my bias of sorting the market and look for any kind of long entries. This account has $90 left until it is breached, and I will get the funded account tomorrow. So let's just have my all tries on this account. Let's give these quadrants. Let's see where it rejects. If it rejects, and okay, gold. So you want to see gold? Okay, let's see gold. uh, so we are in New York session now, so these lows are confirmed. Liquidity swipe we had this liquidity swipe. We got the market structure shift there. Then now we are going up. I think the market will take out the London high, and then we will look for any setups. But for now we don't have any setups in gold. My my aim is today's SELO. I'm looking for SELO to be swiped out, or at least the London low, uh, and then we will look. I think the market has begun to sort from the 75 2.75% concept encroachment of this level. If we had access to uh, 15 minute seconds time frame chart, then we could have taken a good trade here. But right now we will take a trade, but not now. I will wait for a breaker and inversion fair value. We have to take a short. There is no reason I'm going to take a trade anymore. I don't know why I held this trade. Where is that trade? This trade, I don't know why I held this trade, but market did react here. That was a good congestion for me. We have first presented fair value gap here, and we will wait for the price to go below this before we can take any kind of entries to the short. Any other questions, please? Hello Sumant, how are you? Welcome on the stream. We just had one winning trade loss, then second trade loss, and we are trading on the account because we have passed all the accounts in the London session. We are trading on an account which was already in drawdown, so I have nothing to worry about. I have 99 more dollars to take this account back into the action, and I think I can do that. The only thing is I should not hurry. The market can go all the way to, let me see, the market can go way all the way up to 1:5 RR. Would be somewhere here. Market can come all the way up to here at least. Now let's look at MNQ. We have a good fall. and the market touched the breaker back. That's a good sign for the bearish market. Now we are looking for a market candle closer below this, and we will enter into a trade with the high of the candle being the stop loss. And I think that's all I can afford right now with this account. Stop loss will be high of this candle. I don't think I can afford this. I can afford only $99, and we will go with that. Let's wait for the closure of this candle. But the candle must okay, so we have an entry. We will enter here and submit the sell. We have entered here. We have entered inside of the we have entered somewhere here, like here, and our stop loss is just above this fair value gap. And let's see if we get an entry or not. So we have entered into the markets, and this is going to be my last trade, because if we hit the stop loss, I am out of the account, and then my account will be breached. So let's just wait before putting any kind of what I say take profits for this candle to close below the first presented fair value gap. I mean this candle to close below the first presented fair value gap. If it hits our stop loss, then we are doomed. The count is breached, and there is nothing we have anymore to do. I thought the candle will do go down now. I want to see a body candle close below this with any candlestick before I put my take profit, because my heart is just doing too much in suspense and intense uncertainty, that I'm thinking that placing and take profit would be of no use, because you will just hit a stop loss if you don't get a body candle closer below this low. So we are waiting for that. So please have patience, and if you are into this trade, I hope you have reached not that much as much I have did, because I have gone totally up in this trade. And this is my last trade, that is in the 70. Oh no, this is not my last trade. I think I will have $10 more left, even if I hit a stop loss. Just $10 more I will have. I'm putting the phone away and waiting for this candle closer. My take profit will be, let me have this insight. My take profit will be somewhere here, 1 is to 10 or 13 something. $700 in profit I will be looking for. Let's come back to S100 and just wait for a body candle closer here. just one body candle close below this and the market will be good to go down. How much have we lost today? We have lost $127 in total today. So I think we are good to go down now, so I'm going to put my and take profit as well, and I'm going to uh, mark the where I am going to exit the trade right now. The market will fall, the market will fall aggressively, and I want to be into this trade until here this major sell side liquidity. So my target is very low, it is 2300 23,500 level. So if the market is to go down, I will hold the tail till then. So just have patience and just wait and watch the market do its thing. There is a lot of resistance right now, the market should have been going down by now. Let me check if anyone is having any kind of questions. I haven't looked at this chat for a far now. Also there is no questions at all. So let me put my markings. I have entered somewhere here, right? Stop loss is above this candle high, so I was barely saved with stop loss, and my exit is this low. That is 1 is to 11 trade. Now let's see if it happens. We are getting a lot of resistance from this breaker here. We are getting a lot of resistance from this breaker. That is breaker long, and let's see which one wins, either breaker or the first presented fair value gap, because buy side liquidity is totally swiped away. The only direction we have the liquidity is the sell side, and let's see if the market goes to sell side. I want to see a body candle closer below at between below the consequent encroachment of this breaker. If that happens, then the breaker will be invalidated and we will be good to go low. The market is pushing higher, we might get stopped out right now. We also have change in state of delivery in the direction of this breaker is quite strong, and we are going to be stopped out. Yes, we are going to be stopped out. The market is totally not rejecting now. I think we will breach this account today. A breach is coming. I thought I will pass this account, but I think this account is going to be breached. Let's just observe the trade. We are just few points away from breaching this account. This breaker is holding the prices up very high up very nicely, and we have touched the first presented fair value gap many times, and the market is holding, I mean, and even the first presented fair value gap is holding the prices inside of it very nicely. We came down, we touched this fair value gap, and then we started to reject, and this is not good for our trade. And the market has turned green, the candlesticks have turned green and it is going up. we get I think we will be stopped out. I think we'll be stopped out, and just one candle, this liquidity has been swiped, and there is one more candle, and just we are just like 2 or 5 ticks away from being stopped out, and a good green candle, and we are stopped out. Yes, we are stopped out. The market is going to go greens now. This breaker has held the prices up, so we lost the account today. Did we lose the account? Let's see. No, we still have $15 left. What can we do with $15? Oof, what an intense match this was. We should have entered with this breaker or somewhere here, but the market will go lower. I will give you an entry in 20. So we are stopped out. uh, we can't even trade because we have passed that blue guardian account, and you can see here we have passed. I am waiting for the funded account now. I will enter with this time 0.5, 0.4, no, 0.1, and then we will see what happens. hmm 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 This breaker came out to be the winner of this match between the first presented fair value gap and the breaker. The breaker came out to be the winner. So, I am now regretting taking this trade. First, this trade was very going to win. I should have done break even when the news was about to come. And do we have a body candle closer above this? Let's look out in here. No, we don't have a body candle closer, but do have a stop loss, stop hunt. Are we going to get a inversion fair value gap? Let's see. Let's see if we get an inversion fair value gap. The market is still bullish, so the where the market can go. So the market can go to at least these price levels. That is 24,191 in CFD. I did not expect this kind of price action at all. I was just expecting big price moves, big falls. The investment is really bad for me. So I'm closing the phone group now, and we will observe the market from here on. We will just observe the market and see. Let's look at gold. The gold is not in any kind of situation to we have where we can have any kind of entries. I think we should be done for the day. I have passed over 2 accounts today, and we had a great Asia and London session. Hmm. Well, I would like to close the stream now. Thank you for joining, and don't forget to like the stream, and I will post the today's trade results on the Twitter. Thank you and bye bye. Have a nice day.